Most youth clubs want to deliver elite player development, but without a clear, consistent plan across all age groups, progress stalls. Premier Football Institute changes that. PFI is a year-long curriculum for under-7s through to under-16s, structured to reinforce key training concepts at the right stage of a player's development. Grounded in modern coaching science, PFI emphasizes motor learning, game-based training, and player-centered development. Created by coaches with international credentials who have studied with teams across the world, PFI equips every coach to run high-quality sessions and gives every club a proven path to long-term player development. No guesswork, no scrambling, just a clear structure and consistent results. Premier Football Institute. Clarity for coaches, development for players.